This is the before and this is the after. This account was restricted and I reinstated it in less than 6 hours. Let me refresh so that you can see. As you can see, the restriction is gone and the account is reinstated. So I'm going to show you the exact process I used to reinstate this account. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to solve the problem of your Facebook advertising account being restricted. And you have to request a review and get it reinstated. Now, as you can see on the screen, it says that you are not allowed to use Meta products to advertise. This is because you didn't comply with one or more of our advertising policies as affecting business assets, such as having too many ads rejected, attempting to circumvent our ad review process, participating in a fraudulent behavior, or associating with untrustworthy account. Now, the truth is that there are just two major reasons why Facebook may restrict your account. The first reason is that you have violated their policies, the advertising policies. And if you want to know which of the policies you have violated, you click on this blue colored highlighted part. When you click on it, you see it will when you go through all of them, you'll be able to see all the policies. Unfortunately, they are vague. They won't give you any clear reason why. They will just say you haven't followed their advertising policies, but there are several of them. And when most of the time you read and you see that you haven't even violated any of them. So this is one of those vague reasons. I don't see the reason why this account is being restricted. It doesn't violate their policies, but still, that is what they are saying. So for those who don't know how to go to account quality, you have to, first of all, when you open your Facebook account on a browser, when you log into your Facebook account, you go to the ad manager. When you look at the left-hand side, you will see ad manager. You open. When you go to ad manager, and I advise you to do this on a computer, not on a phone, because it is effective on a computer, not on a phone, okay? Now, when you get to the ad manager like this, you can see this restriction warning given. You can click on either request review, but I don't advise you to click here. Rather, come and click on these three lines, and then click on business support home, okay? It will bring you to the business support home, where that is where we are now. Now, before you request a review, this one you need to confirm identity. So in confirming the identity, you will have to make sure that the ID card you want to use, the name, the first and last name is matching with what you see on the Facebook. So the ID you are using, if the name is not matching with what is on the Facebook, you have to change the name on the Facebook to match it with it first. Now, when you come to your Facebook account, you go to click on your profile picture on the top right, go to settings and privacy. From there, you go to settings. From that, you go to personal details. From personal details, you see your name. Then go to profiles. Go to profiles. You see your Facebook account. You check the name. You can see the first and last name. So you check the first and last name. You also check the date of birth. Check all those things to make sure that it is matching. If all that is matching, if it's not matching, you change it. If all that is matching, you come back to account quality and then you click on request review. When you click on request review, it will tell you that confirm your identity and request a review. It will take you through a few steps to confirm your identity. Then you can request a review if you believe that your Meta account shouldn't be restricted. So you click on get started, then you add your phone number. So you send the code. So you first put a code to the phone and then click continue. It will ask you to also put your email. Then you put your email. Then you put they'll send you a code. Then you put that code. So you click on send login code. They will send the code. Then you check the code and put the code in. So after you now put a code, you click on next. It will ask you to upload your image. So you put your ID card. One thing I forgot is you must check to make sure that your gender or the sex is the same as what is on your ID card. Other than that, you'll have problem. So you check here, click on your name on the top left-hand corner, go to your about section, go to contact and basic info, check to make sure that your gender or the sex is the same. Okay, so if that is okay, you click on continue. And then you click continue to request your review. And in the request for review, this is what I am saying. I said, dear Facebook, my user account has been restricted. And it's a big blow to my business because the core of my business depends on Facebook ads to sell. I am told this account doesn't comply with our advertising policies, such as having too many ads rejected, attempting to circumvent our ad review process, participating in a fraudulent behavior or associated with untrustworthy accounts. I'm extra sure I didn't violate any Facebook policy, and I am sure this any Facebook policy or community guidelines, but please forgive me if I made any mistake. Please help me get my account reinstated. And after that, you send. Okay, so the request for review has been submitted. As you can see, it says review requested on 30th September 2023. Within 48 hours, it will be reinstated. So when it's reinstated, you just come back to the business support home or the account quality and refresh it, and you will see that it is reinstated. When you check here, it says we are reviewing your Facebook account to determine if it was correctly restricted from advertising. We will notify you here within 48 hours from when you requested the review. You can also track the status of this review in support inbox. And when you follow this within 48 hours and you don't get a solution, please leave your comments in the comment section. You can follow the WhatsApp link in the description to contact us, and we will help you get a solution. We have helped more than 3,000 people to be able to get their accounts reinstated. And in the last 3 years, those who have followed our YouTube videos and got solutions are over 400,000. And those that we have directly helped through one-on-one on Zoom call are over 3,000. And we will help you too. We charge very affordable prices, and we can help you get your problem solved. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell and like this video for other more powerful videos. Once again, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.